Get ready with me to go out to dinner with family. Starting out by priming my eyes with the e.l.f. concealer in Fair Beige. Sorry I've been gone so long, I've had a lot of life stuff taking up the last few months. I decided to do a soft neutral look, put together, but not over the top. Starting out with the shade Creme from the e.l.f. The New Classics palette all over the lid. I wanted a set base to blend on top of so the crease shades didn't grab onto the wet concealer and look patchy. Going in with the shade Truffle through the outer crease. I wanted this shade to be really soft and blown out almost to the brow bone. Looking back, I should have used a bigger blending brush. I wasn't sure what look I was going to do initially. I was thinking about doing the fox eye look, but this was just a chill family dinner. Here's where I started figuring out what I wanted to do and realized I should have been using a different brush. Finally swapped to a fluffy brush for a smoother blend. You should go follow my TikTok, I've been posting more over there. Deepening up the outer corners with the shade Muse. Creating almost a wing, but keeping it soft and blended. I know the initial wing shape isn't symmetrical before blending, but I fix it and make them match. I'll clean up and sharpen the edge before I do the face makeup. See, trust the process. Brightening the lid and brow bone with the shade Blank. This is just a soft shimmer version of the first nude shade I put down. I'm keeping the inner half of my eyelid bright, since it makes your eyes look more open. Hooded eyelid struggles. Priming mainly the center of my face with the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer with Niacinamide. Makeup infused with skincare is always elite. Using the e.l.f. concealer in Fair Beige to conceal my dark circles and redness. As far as future content, makeup looks, and first impressions, would you guys be interested in skincare and nail content? I started doing my own Gel X nails almost a year ago. I'm not a professional by any means, but I really enjoy having my nails done. Covering the rest of my face and redness with a mixture of Revlon Colorstay foundation in 110 Ivory and the e.l.f. Halo Glow in 1 Fair Neutral Peach. It's kind of weird to see how clear my skin has gotten over the last 2 years. I started incorporating niacinamide serum into my skincare, and it really changed a lot with the acne situation. Not to mention having adult acne annoys me. I've been meaning to do an updated skincare routine for like a year. If you'd like to see that, let me know and I'll film a video. Before I set the cream products, I'm going in with the e.l.f. Camo blush in Dusty Rose. This blush shade blends out better with a brush. A sponge picks up too much of the product and then you can't see it. Setting the under eyes and areas I get oily with the e.l.f. Halo Glow Powder and Puff. Dusting away the extra powder and setting the rest of my face with the Coty Airspun translucent powder. Still begging for the fragrance-free version to come back. To warm up my face, I'm using the bronzer from the Revolution X Fortnite face palette. I don't really think contouring is necessary for every makeup look, so I'm skipping out on doing that. For a second blush, I'm using the shade Isla from the Alamar Cosmetics Colorite Blush Trio in medium or tan. Highlighting with the Revlon SkinLights Prismatic Highlight in Twilight Gleam. This is a really good soft highlight. It's not super sparkly or anything. Adding warmth and depth to my lash line, and an inner corner highlight with the same shades I used on the lids. Making sure to connect the bottom lash line to the outer corner. Lightly filling in my brows with the e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil in deep brown. I'm really just tinting the brow hairs with the wax of the pencil and lightly filling in any gaps. It's definitely time to tint them. Setting the hairs in place with e.l.f.'s clear eyebrow shaping wax. My brows are like cousins, so I have to manipulate the hairs to make them look more alike. Like any true millennial X emo kid, I'm lining and tight lining with a black eyeliner, the e.l.f. retractable no budge eyeliner. Curling my eyelashes with the Paris Hilton eyelash curler. Using the e.l.f. Lash and Roll Black Mascara, because it's my favorite and the only one I really ever use. Anytime someone asks for a mascara recommendation, this is the one I suggest. Really though, anything from e.l.f. that I've tried is great, easily my favorite brand. Don't forget bottom lashes, unless it's not your vibe. Trying out a peel-off lip stain and plumping gloss by the brand Ture. This is the shade Pink Flare. I was sent this from TikTok Shop. I never actually got to post my video for it because of the ban, so I'm trying it out today. The guide color on peel-off lip stains always looks so scary. It also looks a lot brighter on camera than it did in person. It went on super evenly and was really easy to apply. It also dried in like 2 minutes, which is really fast compared to other brands. Make sure you exfoliate your lips, because lip stains will cling on darker if you have any dry skin. Once it's fully dry, you just peel it off, and it leaves such a pretty natural pink to your lips. As you see, I forgot to exfoliate my lips, so it clung a little bit where I had a dry patch. I just wiped it a little bit, and it lifted some of the color. Topping it with the plumping gloss, it tangles a lot, and it actually worked. My lips were noticeably more full.